Hi, I'm Eva from Jobber. Let's talk about using line item images on quotes. Line item images allow you to show your clients pictures of the products and services that you're offering them. When creating a new quote, to add a photo to go along with the line item, click the camera icon. Here, you can upload a photo. This is a good option if you want to share a photo you've taken at the client's property with them, or if you have a photo you want to upload specifically for this quote. Images can also be saved in your products and services list so that you can share the same image with the same line item every time. This is a good fit if you have an image of a particular product or a stock image that you want to share. To add an image to a product or service, click the gear icon, Settings, Products and Services. When your client is sent a quote, and they click the Review Quote button in the email or the link in their text message, they will be taken to the Client Hub to view the quote. Here, they will see the thumbnail of the image along with the line items. If they click the thumbnail, it will enlarge so they can see more detail. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check out our Help Center.